Welcome to Food and Remedy. Today we are making cucumber rice. The ingredients are 2 cucumbers, around 3 cups of cooked rice. Leftover rice is also good for this recipe. For seasoning, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal or black gram dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 6 green chilies. You can either chop it or slit the green chilies, 5 to 10 curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, juice of a lemon or lime as per your taste, 1 teaspoon salt or salt to taste, quarter cup of grated coconut. First wash and grate the cucumber. Now heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. The oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Once it pops, add chana dal and urad dal. Fry it until the dals turn golden brown. Now the dals turn golden brown, add chopped green chilies. Fry it for a few seconds. Then add curry leaves, fry it. Now I am adding turmeric powder, mix it. Then gently squeeze some juice from this grated cucumber and add that to the seasoning. You can drink this juice or you can use it for rasam. After adding this grated cucumber, increase the flame to high and stir it for 2 minutes or until the raw smell disappears. Now the excess water is evaporated and also this cucumber is cooked. Now turn off the heat, add the rice, salt, squeeze some lemon juice, chop coriander leaves and mix it well. Finally, add the grated coconut, mix it. Healthy, delicious and vegan cucumber rice is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy making this. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.